Good evening. It's Tuesday, 9/20/24. I'm in a much better mood than I was yesterday. Had a pretty good day. Um, Yesterday, I pretty much assured you that if you ever consider getting an RV, please don't. Um, I apologize. I was being a little Debbie Downer, a nattering nabob of negativism. Look that up. You'll be surprised at who said that. Anyway, I had a much better day today. Where to start? First of all, the generator's still gone. It's still not working. Got it running for about 15 minutes this morning, then it quit. So I got something else I'm going to try tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. Let's see, what I fixed the microwave. Okay, so it's back together. Okay, all put together, and there's Stumpy. So the microwave is back together and working perfectly. What I did is I stopped at a little bitty store in Munster, M-U-N-S-T-E-R, Munster, Texas. And I met the neatest old guy named Dick Pagel. And he's a Navy vet. And that came up because he saw my Air Force hat. Asked when I was in, said he was in. I said, my gosh, you were in about the time I think my brother was in the Navy. And so we started talking about his Navy experiences. And he used to fly around in, I think, P-3 Orions, taking photographs of ships that were places where they shouldn't be. And that's, I think, what my brother Greg did. He flew around in helicopters off the deck of the Nimitz aircraft carrier, taking pictures of ships that weren't supposed to be where they were and keeping track of the Ruskies. So Dick took me upstairs to the office of the hardware store and said, look, I just found these books this morning when I was going through some old stuff. And he showed me some photo books, and if you look close, you'll see him in there as a young man, and some of the pictures of the ships he took. So those are at the end of the video. So let's see. So he helped me find the nuts and bolts, or the bolts I needed to fix the microwave. He gave me 3 different ones to try and didn't charge me anything. So that was kind of nice. Neat guy. Had a really good time with him. The second thing we did, we stopped and bought some food at a really nice store. And I thought it was a really small store from the looks of the outside, little local store. But boy, you go inside, it's huge. And it was the nicest store I've been in about forever, and I wish we had them in Phoenix. You'll see them in the video. I've forgotten the name, so I can't tell you, but watch for the store. It's really nice. There's gas pumps and everything you can imagine inside the store, really laid out well, and very, very neat, and very, very friendly people. So let's see, I did some weird videos out the window of the truck, windows of the RV, showing you the Texas secondary highways. You can make as good time on these secondaries as you can on the interstates. So I'm taking secondaries all the way up to Route 40 to avoid Oklahoma City, frankly. Anyway, so I'll do that tomorrow. Right now I'm in Blue River RV campground, and forgot the name. Anyway, up here. Durant, Oklahoma. Did 274 miles today, and that's after getting a late start and a couple of stops, so not bad. So, shopping store, boy, I noticed that Texas has some monstrously long trains. I mean, they seem to go for a mile, I swear they do. And they're only being pulled by 2 locomotives, which surprised me. I expected to see some embedded locomotives in the middle, but nope, they're being pulled by two locomotives. That surprises me. And wind turbines, oh my goodness, they're all over Texas, and they're hundreds at a time. They just cover the sides of the road and the hills. A lot of wind turbines out here. A lot of wind out here. You'll notice the wind in the video of the store. Texas is as bad as Oklahoma. the wind comes streaming down the plains or whatever. And that's why I didn't like going to El Paso. When I was down in El Paso for Ticketmaster, the wind never stopped. It was insidious. It just kept beating you around the head. You couldn't see it coming. You just got smacked in the face all the time by the wind. It used to make me nuts. So anyway, today was a better day. Got the microwave fixed. Generator still not fixed. Saw some beautiful roads, beautiful scenery, wind turbines, long trains, neat shopping store, neat guy, Dick Pagel, in Munster, Texas. And oh yeah, one other thing. Oh, there's this monster, huge, acres of a dealership. One dealership, Toyota, Nissan, Honda. And right in the middle of that dealership was a monstrously tall, large American flag. 3 Japanese car brands, American flag right in the center. That flag had to be as big as a house. Yep, that's America for you. Put American stamp on Japanese cars. What the heck? I just thought that was funny. So that's where we are. I'll put this onto the front of the following videos, and you can see some of the stuff I did today. So far, so good. Frank had a better day today. Frank's in a better mood. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Should be good. Bye. Well, my goodness, is that a tornado? Or just a big old dust devil? A tornado in training. Can you see it? That there's a funnel cloud going straight up. I don't know if you can see it or not. Huh, little windy here. That sure looks like a tornado. Very skinny one. What do I know? Well, it's 9:30 in the morning, getting a late start, heading out of Anson, heading north up to 40. Let's see how it goes. All right, heading down the Faber, spring market. Just a pretty little town, and pretty roads, and a really nice market here. Had everything I wanted. I bought gas, went inside, bought all the groceries I need. Had everything I needed. This store looks small, but it's actually huge inside. Very big. And man, I love it. It's windy today, as you can tell by the flag. But got gas, got food, hit the road. This is me being stupid, showing you what I consider to be typical Texas secondary highway. 4 lanes divided, smooth as glass. Can't beat this with a stick. Speed limit 75, I'm doing 65. Nice and comfy. Alright, this is some beautiful countryside. This, once again, still in Texas, secondary road. 4 lanes divided, 75 mile-an-hour speed limit. I'm not doing it. But isn't this beautiful? This is what RVing's about. This is what you're supposed to do with an RV. It's supposed to go pretty places and see pretty things. Not get on the interstate and beat the heck out of yourself the way I've been doing for the last few minutes. So here comes the curve, and I'm going to slow down to about 60 miles an hour and make this curve. Oh no, this is Lindsay, Texas. Isn't this pretty? Cute little town, Lindsay, Texas. I think their patron saint is St. Jeremy. I'd have to double check that, but it seems reasonable. Steakhouse. Gasoline. What more could you ask for? Eat and get gas. I just met the neatest guy here at Community Lumber. I've got his name, I've got his photographs. He was in the Navy at the same time my brother was, and doing about the same job, flying an airplane, taking pictures. So, got the little nuts, bolts I need to fix the microwave, and that's what I'm going to do tonight.